Hi, my name is Becky Nevling, and I'd like to tell you a little about Mrs. Nevling's Science Tic-Tac-Toe game. I know tic-tac-toe isn't a new game by any means, but I've put a science spin on it to transform it into a game students will learn from and want to play over and over. Science tic-tac-toe can be played with the whole class or as a center activity between two students. As the whole class activity, the teacher will display the game on the smartboard, divide the class into two groups, and have the groups play against each other for a reward. So let's get into how to play Science Tic-Tac-Toe. You will start with the traditional tic-tac-toe board. You will also have a stack of scientist game cards. The faces of famous scientists are on one side of the game cards. These are just a few examples of the scientists you can use on your cards. On the other side of the game cards, there are two QR codes. The wonderful thing about this game is that the teacher can change the questions to match the unit or lesson the class is working on. My questions are about the water cycle. The player will shuffle the cards and place the top 9 cards in the tic-tac-toe board. It will look just like this. You can use a variety of methods for choosing who goes first. I like using the die for this game. The student who rolls the highest number goes first. The student will choose a scientist, turn over the card, and scan the question QR code on top. The QR code will take the student to a chatterpix of the scientist they chose, and the scientist will read a science question.
This occurs when water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, or C. Percolation.
The student will select the most appropriate answer and scan the answer QR code to confirm their answer.
If you chose A. Condensation, you are correct.
If the answer is correct, the student will place their marker in the spot. If the answer is incorrect, the other student will place their marker in the spot. Now, player number 2 will have a chance to flip a scientist card over and answer a question about the water cycle.
This occurs when water that flows downhill into streams, rivers, ponds, and lakes. A. Percolation, B. Transpiration, or C. Surface runoff.
The student will select the most appropriate answer and scan the answer QR code to confirm their answer.
If you chose surface runoff, you are correct.
If the answer is correct, the student will place their marker in the spot. If the answer is incorrect, the other student will place their marker in the spot. The game will continue until X's or O's win. Students can play for a designated amount of time or to the best out of 3. Thank you for watching my video about my science game, Science Tic-Tac-Toe.